Back today with our very last how to start a print on demand business series video, and we are going to be talking about TeePublic. I'm not going to say I made a whole lot of money so far on TeePublic, but I've also only have like 4 products there, and I have not truly developed that store, but I have made some money, like $3.50 money. But the fact that I made some income, imagine what I could accomplish if I put more stuff on there. So I actually love TeePublic, and they have really nice products. They have like nice quality sweatshirts and a few other products. I love the simplicity of their website as well. So we are going to go ahead and get started. I don't know if in the other video did I say that Redbubble was last, but it took me a while to decide if I wanted to do TeePublic because I did not see a lot of income from it. But I figured because I'm already on the platform and I use it as well, even though I'm not a novice on this platform, I use it. I made some money with minimal effort. So I figured it was worth it. So here is a little, little profile icon, and you just go over here and hit create account. We're going to go ahead and do our dear military spouse email address. And this time I have my email open already, so I'm not like fumbling to do that. Make sure. Put in a password. All right, gonna scroll down. Gonna hit create my account. Duh, my passwords don't match because I'm typing so fast. All right. So it says an email has been sent. All right, so I'm going to confirm my email. It's probably going to open up another window because normally that's what it does. So I'm going to hit activate now. And like I said, it opened up another another window. And we are here now. So your email was verified. So now it says to log in. So we're going to log in. We're going to close out the other window. And I'm going to go ahead and log in. Make sure I type a little bit slower. So now, I'm here. I'm going to go to my account. Let's see what kind of things we need to set up in the back. So here it says account settings. It has your estimated earnings here. Important information. How do you want to get paid? When do you get paid? It says the 15th of every month. Pioneer 16th. All right, so let's go to edit settings, just to make sure we're, kind of setting our stuff up. We got our email, we got our password, and it's really not a lot to this setup at all. So that's basically it to get started selling. I'm sure we can create what is it called, a logo someplace, but I don't see it here. I'm gonna hit extras and go to this app thing and see what that says. There we go. So, well, that's Twitch and stuff like that. But yeah, it's not really a lot to set this up. We did that in like 5 minutes to set this up. So we are going to go from there. And the next part we would do is I keep hitting my account. We will upload a design. So it says upload a design. So this might be a little account setting and all of that. But yeah, that was a quick video. So I'm actually going to end it because I don't like adding the account setup in the like product stuff together.